Paint DALL-E 3 integration is rolling out on Windows 11. Microsoft has finally rolled out the highly anticipated Paint DALL-E integration to everyone on Windows 11. With DALL-E 3 integration, you can use Microsoft Paint to create AI-generated images using the power of OpenAI ChatGPT. This feature is available via a Cocreator button in Paint. During the September 20X event, Microsoft confirmed its plan to add Bing Chat AI feature everywhere, including Windows and Inbox app like Paint. A new update now live for everyone outside the Insider program lets you use the Co-Creator feature and generate DALL 3 images. Microsoft Paint Co-Creator feature has been available on Windows 11 through the Canary and Dev channel since September, and it was recently rolled out to users in the release preview channel. Starting this week, you can try DALL-E 3 in Microsoft Paint on Windows 11. In our tests, DALL-E 3 works like Bing Image Creator and ChatGPT plus DALL-E. To use the feature, you can open an empty instance of Paint and click the Co-Creator button on the right side of the toolbar. You give Microsoft DALL-E a description of what you did like to see generate using the magic of AI. As you can see in our test result, Paint AI powered results are surprisingly good and accurately depict the description. You can also explore more arts variants via the Co-Creator sidebar in Paint. If you are new to AI, Microsoft also has you covered. A beginner step tutorial within the app helps you get started with AI in Paint. It is also worth noting that Microsoft may still ask some of you to sign up for the waitlist in the side panel, which may take a few days for approval. If you do not see the feature yet, make sure Paint is updated and you have signed up for the waitlist through the app. Microsoft Paint is here to stay with a modern look. I still remember writing about Microsoft announcement to deprecated Paint and replace it with some 3D tools in 2017. Following the outcry, Microsoft decided to keep Paint and ends its Paint 3D ambitious. Nearly 6 years later, Paint is still a popular retail tool and it's slowly getting even better. For example, the last update added background removal and layer features to Paint on Windows 11. With background removal, you can use the magic of AI to detect remove background objects with a single click. Like Photoshop, Paint also comes with layer support, which lets you work independently on each layer of images. These features are live for everyone and you can grab the update via the Microsoft Store.